Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on bold reports. Public reports are a powerful feature that allows you to make reports accessible to all users within your organization. Instead of sharing individual reports manually, you can publish them as public, ensuring everyone with access to the reporting site can view and use them without additional permission. By making a report public, you streamline collaboration, reduce duplication, and maintain consistency across your organization. In this video, I will show you how to make reports public or private in the report server. Let's get started. I already have a sales order detail report in the report server. To make the report public, first, I navigate to Settings in the report server. Then I select Reports. Here, the option to make reports public is turned off. I turn it on to make my reports public. Then I save this change. Next, to make the sales order detail report public, I navigate to the context menu of the report in the report list. I choose the Make Public option. This opens a dialog for confirming whether I want to make my report public. I click Make Public. Once the report is made public, a dialog with the report link will be displayed. You can copy the link and share it with users within your organization. Then I click OK. Public reports are also accessible to everyone within the organization through the public tag of the All Reports list. To make a report private, I open the context menu of the report. Then I choose the Make Private option. The confirmation dialog opens, and I make my report private by clicking Make Private. Once the report is private, a confirmation message is displayed. I close it. In this video, I have shown you how to make reports private and public in the Bold Reports report server. Thanks for watching.